Hi, my name is Margie, and I'm from Margie's It's No Secret. And what I'm doing today is I've decided to take some of my rosemary herbs and grind them in a mortar and pestle and make those little, well, they're leaves, but they're really like little sticks when they're all dry. And when you cook with them, like you want to make something nice, like pork chops or lemon chicken or something, and then it cooks even longer, those little leaves turn into even harder little sticks, and that's not really fun to eat. As a matter of fact, you don't even get the flavor as well as if you grind them. So here I have some ground. Now you can still see some little sticks, so when I go to use it, if I choose to use some of those, I might, but I like people to see what they're eating. So just like a lot of things, like when I'm putting mushrooms in something, I might leave some a little larger, cut some smaller so the flavor is better, but yet they see what they're eating. Kind of like my channel, It's No Secret. I like people to know what they're eating. So I'm going to start by taking some leaves, some of these dry leaves, and put them in my mortar and pestle. And when you grind something in a mortar and pestle, you're not going to get much grinding action from at the bottom. So you want to work it up to the top on the sides. Not too high up because it'll jump out of the bowl. But you want to work with the herbs on the side of the bowl. That's where you're going to get a lot of the grinding being done. I can hear it crunching away up there. Slowly this will happen. It'll take about a minute or so. I may stop before it's done, but it won't take much longer. So you'll grind it for as long as you want, depending on how you want it to be. And in the end, you can even take a little tiny like tea strainer, and you can put that through a tea strainer. You can get more of the powder out. I'm going to leave mine like that because I kind of like it that way. So thank you very much for joining me today, and we'll be back soon. Thank you, and have a lot of fun playing with the herbs.